Hi, my name is Megha Chheda and I have done a course with Mr. Prakash Jugani called Change Management. Honestly, let me tell you that when I went for the course, I really didn't understand the need for it. What is change? But after the course is what I realized that it has changed my opinion about the course completely. We've dealt with such good facts and figures, such good cases, that it really made me think that change, being the only constant thing, is so imperative in everyone's life, and the way to tackle change is even more important. I think in the course biggest takeaway for me was Kurt Lewin's theory of unfreezing, changing and refreezing. I think that was beautifully explained by Mr. Jugani in terms of how can I apply that in my professional life. When we say change, a lot of people think that change is only about changing your personal dynamics or your adaptation to the change in the organization. But it's not so. It's not as easy as it looks. Change is from top to bottom, from bottom to up. And how is that integrated is very important by the leaders of any company. I think I've become a much better leader in terms of understanding that change has to be very well channelized, and it has to be a culture that has to be brought about to bring that change. We've also had multiple class activities with him which were so endearing and so exciting to play along with the team. And the takeaway for me from those activities was that change can happen if we're together as a team. Alone, a person can't bring that change in an organization. So teamwork, team bonding, the consensus of all being together to bring about that change is what matters. So I'd like to say that Mr. Jugani has really brought about that change within me, and I'm hoping to bring that change when I'm going ahead in my career. Thank you.